In 2025, UGA sent over 12 million pounds of waste to the landfill, which is enough to fill up the entire MLC. If we continue creating this much waste, the Athens landfill will fill up in just 30 years. Hi, I'm Caitlin Noble, a student intern at the UGA Office of Sustainability, where we are committed to empowering thriving natural systems here on campus. This means creating a more circular UGA and advancing zero waste infrastructure across our buildings. But let's back up a bit.
In order to send less waste to the landfill, you can focus on reducing the amount of items you buy, reusing items more than once, and recycling and composting when you can to avoid landfill waste.
That's where we come in. We're updating the bins in this building to go from this
to this 3-bin set with an added compost bin and these nifty signs to help you make the right choice with your waste. Hey, Emmy.
Hey, Ann. Can I recycle this?
That's a great question. All bottles, cans, and cups need to be cleaned before they can be recycled, but if you dump that out, then you'll be good to go.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Some bathrooms will also have paper towel composting, so make sure to keep an eye out for that.
Now, let's look at what actually happens with these waste cycles after you throw something away at UGA.
Here's what it looks like for a single-use piece of trash, like a plastic utensil. The waste gets dropped in the interior landfill bin, and these bins get emptied into an exterior landfill roll cart by building service workers. The waste is then transported to the ACC landfill, where it sits for thousands of years, unable to turn into useful products and emitting harmful greenhouse gases.
Let's contrast this with recycled material. Take a can, for instance. This will get placed in the interior recycling bin, where it will then be added to the exterior recycling roll cart. This material is transported to the ACC recycling facility, where it is sorted based on material type. These materials are then sold and reused by industries, helping bolster our local and state economy. What was once a simple soda can transform into a car, rather than lay in a dump. But now that we know how recycling works, let's talk about how compost works.
Using the compost bin is just as easy as the landfill and recycling bins you're used to. The only difference is you can dispose of organic materials like food scraps, napkins, and BPI certified products. For example, this apple core is placed in the new interior compost bins and taken out to the exterior compost roll cart by building service workers. From there, the food scraps get collected by Athens-Clarke County and taken to their municipal compost facility, where it is naturally turned into rich, finished compost material. This is used to enhance soil health and grow more food, helping our farmers and providing jobs to the local area.
If you're ever confused about where to put your waste or want to learn more, you can scan this neat QR code that brings you to a website that details what goes where.
Now that you know how to responsibly sort your waste, you can be part of the effort to make UGA more circular and sustainable. Thank you.